Good morning. The rain has stopped in most areas, but there is still a chance that we'll see heavy showers due to Typhoon Lingling. The typhoon is forecast to smash into Korea with powerful winds and heavy rainfall. And Lingling could be the strongest typhoon to hit the west coast of the Korean peninsula in 45 years. And Lingling is forecast to bring high winds to the country, delivering wind speeds of 40 to 50 meters per second to the south and west coast. And that's strong enough to knock down trees, so take extra precautions. Southern coastal regions and mountainous regions of Jeju Island will see torrential rainfall. Jeju and the southern provinces will be affected by the typhoon from this afternoon into tomorrow morning, while central regions will be impacted the most from tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. And checking on today's temperatures, morning temperatures are similar to yesterday, ranging from 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. Daily highs will go up higher for most areas. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.